So the sign-up forms in MailChimp, you've got several options. So number one is your general form, which is not just the form, but it also customizes all the landing pages for this list. So if you go to the sign-up form here at the top, you can select in the drop-down. Then this shows your form, and you can design it. So you can change backgrounds, header, colors, fonts, and so on. And then also shows you the groups that you've got set up. And they are hidden groups. So when subscribers see this form on my website to sign up for them, or they used to see this form on the website to sign up for their newsletter, then they didn't see any of those groups. But you can also create visible groups. So we can say, for example, radio button, and then we can say the location. We change the code so it's more user-friendly and easier to use later. User. We can say visible, and then here we can say UK, US, and other. And then when people sign up for the list, then they can, we can also say that this field is required. Save. So now they'll have to select their location where they are. And then if you run events and workshops, then you can target who you will send your event notification based on if they are in the UK and it's a UK event, or US and it's a US event, and so on. So this is an example of how you can also use groups to get your subscribers to provide additional information about them and their preferences. Also, you can use it for things like what they're interested in, if they want to receive newsletters about everything, or just about webinars, or just about events in specific location. If they want to receive HTML emails or text emails. So these are the type of fields you can set up using groups. Also in here, in the customization dropdown, you can set up your thank you page, which is what people get once they first enter their details, and then they need to click the link to confirm, to go for a double opt-in process. I strongly recommend that you actually use a custom page here. So basically you set up a page on your website, you put the URL in this box, save, and then MailChimp, instead of showing its default page, will take subscribers to your website page. The benefits of this is obviously on your website, you can customize this page a lot more. You can put say your Facebook like box and ask people to like your Facebook page. You can put social media sharing buttons and ask them to share your special offer or freebie with their friends. You can put a video there. So the choice is basically completely yours. Then the other email is confirmation thank you page. This page subscribers see once they've confirmed their email address. Again, you can create this page on your website, paste the URL here, save. This is also useful if you have Facebook advertising or Google advertising, because then you can add your Facebook conversion code or tracking pixel to the page on your website. So when you're running ads, then you'll be able to track if they're converting and if people are actually signing up for your list, rather than just tracking clicks, as that's a more efficient way of advertising. And then the final thing here is your final welcome email. So if you have a free account which doesn't have autoresponders, which are called here the top automations for flows, then this is the way you can get around to send autoresponder with your freebie, which could be an ebook or an audio file or some download, without actually having to have a paid account. So basically what I'll need to do is go to this final welcome email, tick the box, send the final welcome email, and then you can customize it. This top box, you can edit. And then here you can put right today, click here to download. So you can customize the message, put some nice copy that will welcome your subscribers to your list, and then you create the link. So you can add a link to your web address. So if your file is hosted on your website or in YouTube or in Vimeo, SoundCloud, Dropbox, then you'll just put this URL here. Another option is to put file directly into MailChimp. Like I've got this opt-in ebook, which is basically this ebook, right in MailChimp, and then you just click select, and the link will now show it's this gallery mailchimp.com. So the file is hosted in MailChimp. And then you click save and close. And now we've got our autoresponder set up that will go out, and people will have the link so they can click and download the freebie that you've promised them.